Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to create quiz with time limit. When we speak about quiz, the first thought comes in our mind is Google form. But the main drawback is it does not have any time limit. Hence, the participant can able to Google the question and they can able to answer it. Otherwise, they can able to search for the answer and they can able to fill it. Keeping this in mind, we are going to see an alternative for Google form. One of the alternative for Google form is quizzes. In the quizzes, we have to go to login quizzes. Here we can able to fix the time limit for question to question. To make a quiz, we need to first log in with Google account. Otherwise, we can able to create by clicking on click here to sign up. I have already logged in with a mail, so I will be logging in with my mail itself. So after logging in, we can able to see here options like the left side. We can able to see options like create a new quiz, find a quiz, my quizzes, report, classes. As our topic is creating quiz, let's go with create a new quiz. So when we click on create a new quiz, pop-up screen with the name of the quiz appears. In the name of the quiz, you can able to give the name of the quiz like whether you want what topic. So for example, I'm keep giving it as concrete. After that, you can able to choose the relevant subjects as like whether it belongs to which one. I'm giving like as a professional development, or if you want you can able to click more. I am giving it as education and I will give next. It is no rules like you have to select only one relevant topic. You can able to select many relevant topics whichever you want to select. Then you have to select the types of quiz, whether it is a multiple choice question, whether it is a checkbox, or whether it is fill in the blanks or pool or open ended. First, if you give, you can able to click it as open choice. For example, I am giving it as for example. When you are giving itself, you can able to select the correct option and you can able to select here what is the time you are going to provide for your question. From starting from 5 seconds onwards, you can able to give. So I am giving it as 5 seconds or 10 seconds and I will be saving it. Same manner you can able to do for all the questions. If you want checkbox, you can able to give checkbox question. You can able to add the question. If you want more option, you can able to add another option also. So as it is a checkbox, you can able to give more number of answers as correct and you can able to select the time and you can able to save it. Question has been saved. So if you see here, the two questions have been saved. And you can able to click on done. So if you want to add the title image, you can able to add the title image. You can able to select the language which you want. Then after that you can able to select which from which grade to which grade. So as we are going to do for education, as it is like a university for UG PG colleges, we can able to give it as university. Then you can able to give who want to see the quiz, whether the public want to see or otherwise the private want to see. That is only to you. I will give it as public and I will be saving it. After this, we can able to see on the screen three options. The first one it is play live, second one it is assign homework, third one it is practice. So play live is a live quiz in which participants need to answer the question live before it ends. Their answers are recorded and reported at spot itself. So if I want to do, if I click on play live, you can able to see here continue. If I click on continue, you can able to see the play here share or share via. Either you can able to tell your students how to join the quiz by giving the game code, or otherwise you can able to share the link. If you want, you can able to share via. Click on the share via. You can able to copy the link and you can able to paste it in WhatsApp also. For example, I will be doing here. I will paste the link and I will click on enter. You can able to see here there is start game option is there. Even if I click on the start game, you can able to see it will be showing waiting for players to join the game. So how to start it is I have to go here. The person who has started the quiz, conducting the quiz, they have to click on start. Once they click on start only, the question will start to open. So I will click on submit. Incorrect. So like this we can able to share the question to the participants. Next option it is assign homework. So if we click on assign homework, we can set the time link. We can able to set the time limit. So today is 22nd, means I can able to give up to June 23rd. How many days you want the quiz to be open, you can able to give it here. In the time limit exits, they can't able to answer the question, the participants. So we can able to give like 2:15 p.m. continue. So 1 minute. So in the after giving the time limit, we can able to see here at the bottom advanced setting option will be there. In the advanced setting option, we can able to control the gameplay and record their responses. See here, we can able to control how many times the student can able to attempt, whether you want the student to see the answer or not. Even when they are playing the game also we can able to make it on, or otherwise after the completion of the game also whether you want the student to show or not. Then we can able to click a timer, we can able to control the questions shuffle, we can able to shuffle answer questions, everything. So after we are completing it, we can able to click on continue. Once we click on continue, we can able to see here there is two types of option is there. Whether if you want, you can able to copy the link and you can able to share the link to the student. Otherwise you can able to post the code 7153722 to the students, so they can able to answer the question via this code by entering this code. To make you how the reports will appear, I will show you how the reports will appear. Already I conducted quiz for my students, so I will go to the reports. In the reports we can able to see here already conducted for structural analysis. I will click on that one. If you want the total report to be printed, you can able to click here download. So the report will be downloaded. Here you can able to see what for each and every question, what each and every student has answered. Whether it is correct means it will be coming with green color. If it is wrong means it will be showing in red color. and otherwise, if you want to go and see each and every player's individual report, you can able to double tap their name, where you can able to see for each and every question what the participant has answered, and you can able to see here how much time they can have taken to answer for a single question. By seeing the time how much they have taken, you can able to identify whether they have googled or otherwise they have done with themselves. If you want to send their reports to their parents, you can able to have the option of email to parents, where you can able to type the parents email id and you can able to share their reports. If you want to download their reports, you can able to click here print. In the print option you will be having save as PDF, where you can able to save their report as PDF format and you can able to send to their individual via WhatsApp also. Please let me know in the comment box if you want any other topics to be discussed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.